everyone, so today's video is all about Ho'oponopono healing technique, which is something that I teach inside my advanced Ho'oponopono intense healing program. So to start with, I just realized that so many of you are beginners into Ho'oponopono healing that you might have a lot of questions which are unanswered, and because of that you are not able to fully utilize the potential of this beautiful magical healing prayer. So why wait? Let's answer those basic most common questions about Ho'oponopono healing, and let's get you boarded onto this beautiful healing journey, right? So if this is something that sounds interesting to you, watch this video till the end, complete the whole video, and let me know your any other further questions which are remaining after this video in the comment section. Okay. So let's start. What is Ho'oponopono actually? So this is a ancient Hawaiian healing prayer that has been practiced in Hawaii for a really long time to resolve problems in their lives. Okay, so any problems, any issues that we face in our life, and because of which we feel frustrated, angry, upset, irritated, and all those negative feelings and thoughts we get because of those problems can be cleaned, can be healed through this beautiful prayer of Ho'oponopono. So, what does it consist of? The basic Ho'oponopono prayer consists of four phrases, which are I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. So, you might say, Chandrani, this is so simple, right? Yeah, I agree. This sounds very simple. The basic Ho'oponopono prayer sounds really simple, but the impact of the and the results of this prayer are totally magical and super powerful. Okay, so you can only experience it, and that's why I want you to start practicing Ho'oponopono regularly in your life, because the moment you practice it, you experience it firsthand, only then you create results and a magical experience of this beautiful prayer, right? So how do you practice Ho'oponopono healing? Right, so as a beginner, what I would recommend is start chanting this prayer as a mantra. For example, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. So these four phrases consist of or make one round of Ho'oponopono. So if I have to do 108 rounds, so which is a very sacred number, right? So I would chant like this. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. So you can choose your place, you can keep your right hand on your heart, you can make your body relax, and along with that you can start chanting this for how many times? 108 times. So I already have detailed Ho'oponopono explanation video and also 108 Ho'oponopono chanting videos in my channel. So I have already given the links for you in the description box so that you can check them out and practice with it. So now the next question is when you should practice Ho'oponopono. And the simple answer is in the morning, okay, after you wake up, and you can start cleansing yourself, your thoughts and your memories and your emotions by doing this 108 times of chanting. Okay, next you can do is at night before sleeping, cleanse the whole day's negative energy by doing this chanting of 108 times. Okay, so these are the two times which you should do as a beginner to create results. And other than that, during the day where you feel negative, right, when you get into a problem, you feel stuck, you feel uncomfortable, start chanting this prayer again like a mantra, over and over again until you feel relaxed. So I'm not giving a count for you for this one. So this is called the walking talking Ho'oponopono. That means the moment you feel uncomfortable, you start the prayer. The moment you feel uncomfortable, so sorry, and you start the prayer. Right? So there is no count that you have to do it for say 11 times or 21 times. No. So until and unless you feel calm, you feel neutral, you do it. And once you feel it, you can leave it. So in summary, when you can do Ho'oponopono, the number one is morning 108, night 108, and during the day walking talking as you need it. Okay, so this is the basic level of understanding that you can do as a beginner, right? Next, what to keep in mind when you're chanting. Okay, so many of my students tell me that Chandrani, so I feel very distracted while doing this prayer, as if my thoughts are all over the place. So the answer to this question is it's okay. It's okay to have your thoughts all over the place, right? So all you need to do is just complete the chanting anyway. Okay, keep doing it. Your thoughts will be here and there, but The more you keep doing it, you will find that your thoughts are coming into a place. But it will never happen that the thoughts will completely stop. Okay, that's not possible. But what is possible is you will keep improving and you will keep becoming better and better the more you practice. Okay, so our target is not to be perfect in this practice. Our target is to cleanse our negative energy on a daily basis. Okay, even though the thoughts are coming. Okay, so that's the answer for you. Now the next challenge that many people told me that they faced is that I'm chanting, but the major problems in my life are not solved. Right. So this is one of the challenges that you will face. That your mind will try to go and take your attention to the problems. Right. Again and again and again. But what is our focus? Our focus is not on focus upon the problem is solved or not. So that is called getting attached to the problem or getting attached too much on the results. So our focus is the daily cleansing. Okay, as a beginner, your focus will be just the daily cleansing. So start detaching yourself with the problem, with the results. Because the moment you are too much attached to the result, you will feel that desperate frequency inside you, right? And this desperate frequency will stop you to go towards the result because desperation leads to destruction, right? So desperation is what? It's a negative energy. So we don't want it in our healing journey. All we want is our focus is on our growth and our healing. That's it. Correct? So with all my love, I'm saying this to you. Start detaching yourself with the big results right now. As a beginner, start noting. Yeah, the fourth step is start noting all the small results that you are getting through your Ho'oponopono healing. So every single day, start noting the changes that you're observing in yourself. If you observe you're becoming more calmer, the thoughts are reducing, the problems are reducing, start noting all of them, small and big miracles that are happening. Start noting them. Okay, so these are the small results that you need to focus as a beginner now and not attach yourself too much with the bigger problem solving. Okay, I hope it makes sense what I'm saying right now. Yeah, so yeah, that's all of it that I had planned for this video. So I hope this gives you a lot of clarity and you start doing your Ho'oponopono practice, yeah, just from right now, right? The moment you see this video, if this video gives you clarity, let me know in the comment section by putting clarity and a thumbs up. So also give this video a like and share this with friends and family who are also beginners into this Ho'oponopono healing journey and you want to wish them a lot of results and magic in their life, right? So yeah, and if you want to keep connected with me on my private community, I have a beautiful private community, WhatsApp community. I have put the link in the description box. So feel free, join there, and I keep sharing a lot of insights, a lot of session links and everything in that group. So do join there, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.